Hi, we are going to see about AWS S3 bucket. In this AWS S3 bucket, you have different kind of storage types are there. Accordingly, the cost and other factors will vary. Once the cost is increasing, of course, a lot of features and lot of scalability and the replication part is included. So let me see this one. So if you see here, there are different kind of S3 tire. You have S3 standard, S3 intelligent tire, and you have S3 intelligent infrequent and infrequent 1E and 1 and glacier, these are things. So let us go in detail. So S3 standard is like it's a general purpose and the cost is little bit higher compared to other thing. This is a general purpose, okay, and it is storage in a different zones actually, three availability zone. And if you go to S3 intelligent tire monitoring, the data is unknown, and the thing is that it won't. The charging access pattern will be different. So you have scalable and frequent thing will be done. And next one is it's a frequently accessed. So if you're accessing frequently, and other things will be so frequently accessed thing will be suppose you want to access frequently. For that they will charge it actually. So in that way you can reduce it unknown thing. So intelligence infrequent means suppose you're not accessing that one for long time of periods. Okay, so that what you'll do is that will be infrequent. Accordingly, your charge will be less actually. Okay, and if you're going for infrequent, so for that you have to pay some cost. Okay, so when you are accessing frequently, you have to pay charge and they are charging. Suppose you want to access during some time, so for that accessing the part they are going to charge it. So that will be the your infrequent access layer. And if you see the S310IA, so it will be replicated into only one region, and but only thing is that you should make sure that if one of the ILD zone goes down, then yours problem. So if your data is like archive or something that you see, you can go for 1 zone. And glacier is like when you go for infrequent, and if you want to store like uh, 7 years data or 4 years data, in that case you can go for glacier, and this is will be infrequently accessed. Suppose you want to access frequent data, for that you have to pay some charges. So that is called glacier withdrawal charges. So it would be like the time is 1 minute to 12 hours. So deep archive is like you are going for very more than 10 years or 5 years, and you can't access immediately. So for that you need to pay some amount, least amount, that can be accessed within after 12 hours. Okay. So thank you guys. We'll see you in the next lecture.